Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm really thankful for you all sharing a valuable time in this video. In this video, we'll learn about the app lock. With the help of this app lock, if anybody open our phone, a calculator is going to come in front of his screen. It means that he or she have to solve that calculation. Then after that, able to open that app. So let's know about this app lock. Simply you have to search in Play Store Lockdown Pro, and after that you have to install this application. I had already installed, so I'm going to open it here. And after that you have to click on the pattern. After that, for recovery, fill email ID. Save it. You have to on the abilities. After that, select the application, which application you want to do this app lock. I selected here all social network, calendar, Chrome browser, and clock. 4 applications I have selected. Then after that, on the left hand side you have to go in security, and here you have to select the calculator. You have to fill your calculation. After that, click on the next, confirm it. After that, in the relock app you have to select that immediately after go to home screen, like this. Here I'm selecting here after go to home screen. Let me see here again which application I have done the app lock. Calendar, Chrome browser, clock, in all social networks. Let's see how it works. I had come on the home screen, and simply I had opened my Chrome browser. Let me see here, calculation is going to come on phone, and I had done a relock app that come on your home screen. I have to fill here calculation, otherwise I unable to open this application. Like this, you may see also to network also. So I hope you enjoyed this video with this application. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel for the next video. Thank you all of you again.